Let's also look about the hidden truth about ventilation weaning. Here's what most families don't realize: the hospital's goal and your goal are probably not aligned. The hospital's primary objective is medical stability and safe discharge. Your goal is getting your loved one off the ventilator and back to a meaningful life as quickly as possible. This misalignment is where families sometimes get stuck for months on end. With IntensiveCareHotline.com, we help families navigate this exact situation, creating customized weaning plans and advocating for aggressive rehabilitation approaches.